Hi, my name's Tom. We're in a little bit of a construction zone right now. This is my master bathroom. We are kind of redoing all the sinks and the walls and everything. But I want to show, I just installed this 5-light fixture up here. It is nice and bright. It is beautiful. It is crystal. I want you to see what it looks like up close. You can see it does sit tight against the wall. It does take your bulbs, now I use filament bulbs in this case, and it does throw the light off, all sorts of nice little shines all over the sidewall. We really like that. It just is really bright. It kind of, we have little crystal prisms that kind of blow the light out into the room even more so than a regular bulb might. It almost makes the whole thing just brighter, and in a bathroom you want bright light. I will say this, you can install this either way, either down like we did it, or up if you really want to. We went it down because we're going to have our mirrors down here. That's where most of the light's going to go. So that's what we're going to do. But overall, yeah, we just really like it. We are really impressed. We like the prisms on the 5-light because it also matches the prisms on this round light that we also put into our toilet area. So we have a round light in here with the prisms, with a filament bulb, and then we have, if you walk out, we have the 5 lights over here with the prisms, so they all match. We really like that. You can find all those sorts of things on Amazon. They just look great. They're not even have to be the same brand, but a lot of them do use the same prisms and the same lights. As long as you use the same color bulbs, it'll look great. This does come in different sizes. This is the 5-light one, obviously. I believe there's a 3-light one as well, maybe even a 2-light, but it's just really beautiful. It works really well. It's easy to install. Love it. Really highly recommend this.